Okay, guys, welcome back to yet another episode of DSA Python series. And today we will be talking about append characters to make subsequence. Let's do this. So it's a medium level question. It is LeetCode 150. Okay, guys, let me just put this link. So this is day 29 of 200 days live DSA Python series. Okay, so I'll just paste the link, guys, so that it reaches few people. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's start the discussion, man. Uh, Let me just share the link to one of the group also. So, I'll just post it. Okay. So this is neat code 150. Longest common group anagrams. Let's start on LeetCode. So group anagrams. Okay. Since our topic is different, append characters to string to make sequence. Okay. So append characters to make sequence. To, okay. Okay. Let's start on the LeetCode itself. Yeah, so lead code number 2486, append characters to strings to make subsequence. Okay. So you are given two strings S and T consist of only lowercase English letters. Okay. Return the minimum number of characters that need to be appended to the end of the S. Okay. So what do we want to return? We need to return the minimum number of characters that need to be appended to the end of the S so that T becomes a subsequence of A. So let me tell you what subsequence is. So definition is given here. A subsequence is a string that can be derived from another string. Okay. By deleting some or no characters without changing the order of remaining. Uh, okay. So if this is code, this is coaching, then and t is equal to coding, then output is equal to 4. Okay, so what is the explanation? Append the characters ding, right? So this we are appending to the end of s. So this is my s, so that s is equal to coaching ding. Okay, now t is subsequence of s. So the t, okay, t has ding, so this t becomes uh, subsequence of s. So this is CO and DING, ding. Okay. So very logical question. I mean, very good type of question. So if we have this word, now just assume this word coaching ding. So is coding a subsequence of coaching ding? Yes, because if we delete ACHING, then it becomes coding, right? So that is the idea. Okay. So T becomes the subsequence of S. It can be shown that appending any three characters to the end of S will never make T a subsequence. If we append any three characters to the end of S, if I append ing, okay, uh, in this coaching, okay, so D will be missing, okay. So the new sequence S which is formed need to have all the words of T. That is the idea. Okay. So let's see example number 2. Input S is equal to A B C D E, T is equal to A. Okay. So S is equal to this, T is equal to A. So output is 0. T is already subsequence of S. Okay. So T is all. So if T is already subsequence of S, it means that we don't have to append any character in this to become it T as the subsequence of A, right? So the output has to be 0 because no character to be appended in T. Sorry, in S. Okay. So return the minimum number of characters that need to be appended to end of s. Only end of s we have to do. Okay, so that t becomes, so let's consider this two only, and try to have a visualization. So coaching and coding. Okay. Now let's say I'll just assume one I here. Sorry, my I will be here. Okay, in the start, and my j will be here. So here will be j. So what I'll do, I'll just start iterating in I. Okay, and I want to make, I want to add some elements of t. So this is t into this. Okay, so that this becomes subsequence of this. Okay, so but in the end only. So here in the end I have to, you know, add something plus. Okay, so what we can do, what we can do uh, so I need to append ding so that this word t, okay, t becomes the subsequence of coaching ding. Okay, so s will be the updated sequence. So what I can do is, I'll assume one new string which will be, so uh, I'll just say main string. Okay, so main string which is s here. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll just assume like this main string, or let's start coding on. So main string, I'm just assuming, is equal to this. Okay, I have to append certain characters in main string. First of all, I have to append the whole coaching, this. So the coaching has to be s plus something. Okay, main thing, main string will be s plus something. Okay, so I'll just assume for now. Uh, Now what I'll do is, I have my t is equal to coding. Okay. Now I'll compare the letters of t with s. Okay, so this is t, this is t, and this is s. So I'll compare one by one. So there are two letters which are matching. So if they are matching, then it will go. Let's position